Hey guys, I wanted to give you some information about how to access the online materials that I've made available to you in Google Classroom. So each morning at 10 o'clock, you're going to see an alert pop up through Google Classroom. If you haven't already linked it, you can link it to your phone or your iPad or anything just using your school login account. So your name plus your lunch number at ee-schools.org, and you can get it on whatever application you have. Then, when you log into your Google Classroom, you're going to be able to go and see. And so, Monday's assignment is already posted. If you click on that assignment, you're going to get a screen with the instructions. And so there's two parts to each lesson. The first part is a reading assignment with a worksheet that's going to be getting mailed out to you all in a packet. So you should be getting those probably by like Wednesday or maybe Thursday. So if you click on that PDF, you're going to see something that you need to read. So the first lesson is a common reaction. It's about chemical reactions. You'll see on the left-hand side, it has the vocabulary, then it has an article for you to read, a couple of other little key point details that you definitely want to read, hint, hint. And then if you go to the second page, it has a few questions for you to answer. So that's kind of the first part, just a little review to get you going. And then at the bottom of the packet, you will see that there are some links there for you. And those links are also all posted in that Google Classroom assignment. So this CK12 assignment, if you click on that, is going to take you to another short assignment. You're going to log in with your Google account again. And it's going to give you another reading that has a little assignment that goes with it. And shout out to Kiamara because she's already completed her first assignment. Good job. So it'll give you a reading that you can do. It has some videos inside of it that give you some information. And then when you get to the bottom, it'll have a practice assignment. And if you click on that practice assignment, then you will actually get some questions and it will automatically grade it and send you that information right back to Google Classroom for me. So I'll be able to see what you've completed and what your grades are. I also am including some extra assignments. If it's a topic that's interesting to you, I'm trying to include a YouTube video and then these middle mystery science activities usually have videos and sometimes they have a little experiment you can do at home. So hopefully these materials will give you a little bit of something to do every day, to keep you thinking about science, to keep you reviewing so that you're ready next time I see you guys. All right, have a great day. Bye.